Alright, here we are at the Marriott Copley place in Boston, Massachusetts. We got ThyssenKrupp Agile. Car H. Oh, I've been wanting to see these for a long time.
Floor 38.
Huh. So just go back down to 2. Car H again. Huh, I thought this was faster. Yeah, these were originally Westinghouse with AE. As you can see with the indicator up there. I thought these were faster.
Floor 2.
Well, hopefully I get another car. There that one goes. I hope I don't get this one again. So I'll just go back up to 38. Car H again. All right. My ears are popping.
Floor 38.
Didn't see anything up there. It uses GAL. Okay, well. I'm not sure what I can do to get another car, but I could try. Sending it down to 2, perhaps? It's car H. I don't know if I should do that, but I want to try getting a different car. Car I. Let's try this one.
Floor 38. Going down.
Alright. Let's hope this car doesn't disappoint. Okay. We'll get a view on this side. I swore, I think they slow these down. I remember they used to be faster, if I recall correctly. There's a key card reader right here. I mean, these are still pretty cool though, so. Pretty hard stop.
Floor 2.
Loud voice. I'm gonna try getting one of the low rises. Actually, probably do that in a separate video. I guess I'll do one more ride up. Car I.
Going up.
Get dual indicators.
Floor 38.
I'm gonna try handicap mode. I don't know if I should do it.
Press button when you hear desired floor, or press twice to cancel. 1, 2. Going to floor number 2. Please proceed to elevator I.
Going down.
Elevator.
Arriving. Going to floor 2.
Holy cow, this video is getting long. Yeah, this will be my last ride on these. It's a 10-minute video already.
Floor 2.